Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange and customize your home screen in the Realme GT 2. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on your display, and you can see that we have a few options to edit. We can start from the wallpaper, is obvious, so we can start from the icons. So if you want to change your icon style on your home screen, just use the one of these saved layouts, or maybe you can do it by the custom. And now you can choose your own shape. You can see you can choose the circle one. You can change the foreground size and the icon size, of course. Now you can choose the match wallpaper colors to adjust the icon design to your wallpaper. You can also turn off the app names, but if you want to keep that, you can change the size of it. And that's it. Click apply, and it's done. Okay, the next one, widgets. If you want to add any, just click on this button, hold any widget, and drop into a place on the home screen. If you already click done, and you can see that we have a widget. You can remove it by clicking here, or just use the edge to change the size of it. And that's it. The next one, you can change the layout to change the amount of the application in the row, in the columns on your home screen, like that one. Click apply, that's it. And you can also change the transition. Transition is a effect when you're swiping the pages on your home screen. Okay, I will choose the roll, click apply, that's it. You can also go to the more settings if you want to change the raise to wake, for example, to activating the screen when you're raising your phone, double tap to wake up or turn off when you want to open your phone by the clicking. You can also change the clock style on your locked screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.